gentlemen. Welcome to the second week of the Art of Storytelling. We'll jump right into feedback. I've seen your comment there with not having enough time, etc. It's no problem, no worries. We'll try to catch up anyhow, and I'll try my best to give you like feedback for what we have here. So there are these. I've seen you did only one layout basically, and I do think the best one yet on all of these is this one, right? So what I'm gonna discuss is about more this one here. I think this is really good because it creates a sense of it has some action, right? Like these moments here, like this one versus this one. This is more intense, intense. So it has more intensity, which is cool in manga, right? Manga is based on intensity, even if it's a small story. It has this thrill to it, right? So what I would personally do is get this region here, and move forward with it and put emphasis on the moment, you get from this moment when he sleeps, right? From sleeping, right? You get to this stage, where he's like you can like make a small head here, make him a small head like that, because you already have him on the bed, right? So you get like closer to it, right? So from big, small, right? Small towards big, right? You know, to a shot that is like to this one here, which is probably the biggest. So this is good, right? Good. And then you go to big, and you have this scene here, which should be like bigger. Okay. I'm also going to discuss maybe next time about how you can tilt, you know, you can have like an arrangement of these, you can put them in a different type of way, so you can have the scene like this, you have the scene with him on the bed like that, and you have the scenes tilted like the camera is like this tension here, for example, creates like a struggle or whatnot, so you could try this type of thing out, and then you get this panic, and you could put it from side view, rather than front, because you already have him in front. You need to maybe switch the camera and put him like from side view, right? And then he's psyching, right? And then you can put the monitor here, in the luminously and big, right? And make his head with the hair here, whatnot, This creates more dramatic type of aspect to it, and lighting monitor with his hair, and maybe some, because he just woke up, and he looks at a monitor, and this, and then this. Okay, so this is what I probably did this to improve it, but this is really good. So this is good, and these are interesting, but they don't have the same readability, right? So this is the most readable, and has the most fluidity into it. Okay, so this is personally what I would do, and I would make this moment here with him. I would make him on the bed from the backside, basically, with his head down, something like this, Okay, and have the computer here somewhere, like to keep this interesting, right? So I'd make that computer here in the background somewhere, like that, and maybe you have a chair, whatnot, depending on how you build your room, right? And you'll have him like getting off bed, and make him drag, right? Okay. towards the actual door and such. So you should actually take care of the camera angles. That's all, and think about it in the future. But this is pretty much what I can say about the feedback and how it could actually improve this. I think it's cool overall, and hopefully I'll catch you at the Q&A. Cool stuff.